How to upload YouTube Shorts on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts directly from your iPhone. Uploading Shorts is a great way to share quick, engaging videos with your audience right from your phone. First, open the YouTube app and tap the plus button at the bottom. You can find it right here. From the option, select Create a short if you want to record a new one, or tap Upload a video to choose an existing clip. If you want to add a clip, you can just tap on this box right here and then select a clip. Click on Continue and then choose Allow Full Access. Click on any video you want to upload and then tap on Done. If your video is under 60 seconds and in vertical format, YouTube will automatically recognize it as a short. After selecting your video, tap Next and then trim or add music if needed. Once you're done editing, just click on this check icon right here and then add a title and description. Make sure to include hashtag shorts to increase visibility. Set the visibility to public, then tap Upload. But of course, the visibility still depends on you. That's it. Your YouTube Shorts is now live. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Bye!